Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com and this is my MagickFunnels review, demo and $3,797 bonus, the biggest bonus to it out there. But first of all, let me tell you what it is. So first of all, you should know that if you want to maximize the amount of money that you're making online, you should use a funnel, okay? So obviously you can send traffic directly to an affiliate offer or to your e-com store or whatever you want to send it. But this is not maximizing your profits because most of the people that you're going to be sending to an offer will not buy instantly, okay? With a funnel, you can get their email address. That's the first thing, which means that you can contact them later. You can also add a bunch of different pages, like a thank you page with additional links and resources, delivery page, so you just have more pages and more ways to get attention, to maybe add your social media, obviously to build a list and to sell more products. So using a funnel is essential, and obviously there are a ton of different funnel builders out there, but this one is amazing because it comes with 14 done for you funnels for a one-time silly low price. Okay, so we're gonna jump into it. So let me share my screen and let's jump into this MagickFunnels review. And even before I'm going to show the sales page, let's check out the competition. So obviously the biggest competitor out there is ClickFunnels. Very, very expensive, anywhere from $97 per month to $1,500 per month. That's the new option for collective. I don't even know exactly what it does, but you essentially get unlimited everything, but it's $1,500 and $100 per month on the cheap side. Convertri, another competitor, a little bit cheaper, but still you're gonna have to be paying anywhere from $53 per month to $166 per month. So a little bit cheaper, but still a monthly fee. And lead pages anywhere from $25 per month to $200 per month. So again, I think this is the cheapest option, but still you're paying per month, 25 bucks per month. Okay, so that's the competition. And right now let's check out the sales page. So as you can see, it says April 2020, 100% done for you. Buyer traffic, sales, commissions, and funnels. MagickFunnels, the world's best traffic, sales, and funnel app. Groundbreaking one-click app creates automated funnels and gets you instant buyer traffic in less than 60 seconds. These done for you funnels are making us over $1,200 each per day. Okay, so scrolling down here, 3 simple steps. Massive proof behind it, obviously. So Glynn is using these kind of funnels to make, as you can see, he made $125,000 right here. So on Warrior Plus alone, pretty amazing. That's Glynn, that's the guy behind this product. You probably know him already, an amazing marketer. Scrolling down here, you can go through all of this in your own time as always. MagickFunnels, that's the name of this new product. Some testimonials right here. He says what is included. I'm going to show you all of that in a second. Some more proof. You are getting all of the bonuses that are mentioned here on the sales page, and you're gonna get my bonus. This time it's worth almost $4,000, guys. 30 days money back guarantee, so no worries, no risk on your part, and we will talk about pricing in a second as well. Okay, so that's essentially it. Go through all of this in your own time. And the inside of the members area looks like this. Okay, so I'm going to have a full separate demo, a part of this review video, and in this review video I'm just going to show you some example pages and exactly what's inside of the members area. Okay, so you have the welcome video right here on the dashboard. Then you can edit my profile. So this is where you can change your picture, your name, etc. Training, I'm going to show you the training in a second. Then we have autoresponder, because obviously the main purpose of using a funnel is to actually get all the email addresses and be able to connect an autoresponder and be able to use that list down the road for free traffic on demand. Okay, so we have Aweber, GetResponse, MailChimp, ConvertKit, ActiveCampaign, HubSpot, Sendio, and Constant Contact. So all the big autoresponders. Then we have affiliate products. So the cool thing is that you can actually access affiliate products from within the software, so you don't have to go to ClickBank or Warrior Plus. You can actually find best-selling affiliate products right here from within the software, so an additional cool feature. Then we have the done for you funnels. Okay, so this is exactly what you're paying for. You are getting a total of 14 done for you funnels, and as you can see, we have an opt-in page, a promo page, and a download page, and we can access all of the stats right here. So let me show you the opt-in page for Cinderella solution. Let's open this up, and as you can see, this is an amazing looking squeeze page for the fitness niche. Okay, so obviously these are in different niches, so you can use these as is, you can edit them, you can do whatever you want with this. Okay, so this is a squeeze page. Then we also have a promo page. So as you can see, then we have the 1 to 3 steps. That's essentially for upsells, if you want to add upsells to whatever you're promoting or giving away. And then we have the download page. So obviously this is how people will get whatever you are selling or giving away, and this is where you get additional traffic and where you can make additional money. So you can add all of these resources and all of these links. So this is how it looks like, and as you can see, we have a total of 14 done for you funnels. So we have the Cinderella solution, which is for fitness. We have flat belly fix, yoga, 12-minute affiliate system, affiliate bots, ClickBank University, video marketing blaster. So just a bunch of different niches. And again, you can use these pages as is, or you can edit them to your liking, and you can even create your own funnels from scratch. Okay, so we have the new campaign right here. So again, I'm not going to be creating new campaigns from scratch right now, but I will have a full demo. And as you can see, we also have the ClickBank database, and this is for ClickBank products if you want to promote ClickBank products. Now, on top of everything I just showed you, you're getting video training. So this is how it looks like. So you're gonna get video training on both how to use the software and actually how to make money with it. Okay, so very newbie friendly. We have the overview, how to set up your done for you campaigns, how to create your own campaigns for any products, how to connect your autoresponder, how to add additional affiliate products to your download page. So this is where you're maximizing your profits. And then for the upgrades, we will talk about the upgrades in a second, but we have the conversion boosting tools, bonus builder, traffic strategies, 1, 2, and 3. And also you can subscribe to Glynn's YouTube channel and get even more free training. And as you can see, another video right here is about making huge commissions. Okay, so that's essentially it. That's what you're getting. Essentially, again, this is a funnel builder that comes with 14 done for you, ready to go funnels. You can use them as is, or you can create your own funnels, or you can just edit the funnels that are already added in there. Now, let's talk about the pricing, because this is where it gets exciting. As you can see, MagickFunnels will be $17.97. So comparing it to all the competitors I just showed you, the cheapest competitor was Lead Pages, $25 per month. This is a one-time price of just $17.97. But with that being said, this is the early bird price. So you're gonna have to show up early on April 15th at 9 a.m. Eastern. So between 9 a.m. Eastern and 3 p.m. Eastern, it will be $17.97. Then the price will jump to $19.97, and then day 2 it will be $29.97, and the price will keep on rising. Okay, so make sure to show up early. Again, that's 9 a.m. Eastern on April 15th. And then we have some OTOs, one-time offers. Okay, so let me tell you what these are right now, and then we will go deeper into it. Okay, so OTO number 1, the unlimited version, $97. OTO number 2, done for you funnels, $97 as well. OTO number 3, automated traffic flow, $97. OTO number 4, conversion boosting tool, $67. OTO number 5, bonus page builder, $67. OTO number 6, license rights, $197. Now, right here on my blog, I have a full funnel breakdown and a full written review, so you can check it out. But right now, let me go a little bit deeper into these OTOs. So the unlimited version will allow you to create unlimited funnels, create unlimited landing pages, more landing pages, templates, graphics, and a banner ad creator. So essentially unlimited everything and just additional features as well. OTO number 2, that's the done for you. So you are getting additional done for you funnels, and you also gonna get a big set of proven to convert done for you marketing materials. Okay, so just a massive done for you package. With automated traffic flow, what you're getting is a powerful traffic generator. So this upgrade essentially assures you that you are getting traffic, and that's without Facebook ads, without email marketing, without Google traffic. You're getting all this traffic. Obviously, you're gonna need traffic for all of these funnels that you're gonna be creating. Conversion boosting tools, here you are getting, you are unlocking some very, very cool features like hello bars, pop-up banners, exit pop-ups, etc. So just a bunch of features that will boost your conversions no matter what you are doing or promoting. Bonus page builder, this will allow you to create bonus pages as well as all the pages in the funnel that I just showed you. And last up, license rights, $197. This allows you to sell MagickFunnels as your own product and keep 100% of the profits to yourself, and that's on the whole funnel. So all 7 products in the funnel, you're getting 100% commissions. Okay guys, once again, I have a full written review right here on my blog, you can check it out, and this will include all of these bonuses. Okay, so first of all, again, let me mention that MagickFunnels goes live at 9 AM Eastern on April 15th. If you want to get all of these bonuses from me, all you have to do is just pick it up through my link, and to do so, just click on one of these blue links from my blog, or if you're watching on YouTube, that's the second link in the description to go directly to the sales page, and the first link in the description will take you to my blog and to my breakdown. So first of all, I'm going to give you free custom made bonuses with full PLR. Okay, so this means that you can sell these, you can give these away, you can rename them, you can put your name on it, you can do whatever you want with these free custom made bonuses about traffic, so you can actually use them to learn about how to generate traffic, and then you can also sell them. So full PLR to these free products. I'm going to give you some additional software, which will include Affiliate Warrior software, Affiliate Promo Machine software, Extreme Affiliate Page software, and also Affiliate Traffic Lab. That's another piece of software. I'm also going to give you a reseller's license to 3 of my top selling products, Instabit, Traffic Trapper, and Traffic Extractor. As you saw, the reseller's license sells for $197, and you're getting a total of 3 from me, so $600 right here. I'm also going to give you 5 done for you affiliate marketing campaigns. Okay, so this is something that I normally sell as an OTO to my own courses. You're getting these for free, 5 done for you campaigns, additional traffic and W's of the day awarded courses, $500 CPA every day, $200 cash hack, $300 CPA every day, the CPA coffee shop method, $2,000 traffic jacker, instant traffic jacker, the commission magnet, the commission toolbox, $100 CPA daily, pure profit payday, WP video, viral quick, WP advantage, affiliate advantage, image plus, list building expert, 100 e-course publishing tips, speedy content publishing tips, SlideShare tips, videos, affiliate advantage plugin, Gen plugin, biz, sales page writing software, squeeze page creator, TrueText, iAsk, Popbox, sales bar, short code call to action, client extractor, image grab, viral suite, action simulator, Facebook audience builder, instant publisher, pin book, social tracker, traffic hoover, Facebook traffic engine, and Facebook photo contest. Guys, that's a total of 47 bonuses, but I'm not done, because you're getting my mega bonus as well, and my mega bonus is a total of 45 plus W's of the day and product of the day awarded courses. And my mega bonus alone is worth $1,500. So these are all W's of the day awarded courses, and that means that this is a total of $3,797, and this is real world value. Okay, so these are real courses that either are still on sale, or they sold for anywhere from $10 to $67 each. You're getting all of these for free again. So again, all you have to do is pick up MagickFunnels through my link, and again, you will probably end up picking it up anyway, so why not get all of these bonuses from me, again, just as a thank you. Okay, so click on one of these blue links from my blog, or second link in the description if you're watching on YouTube. And before you go, let me show you how to claim my bonus after picking up MagickFunnels through my link. Okay, so all you have to do is go to your Warrior Plus history, purchase history. So click on your icon right here on the top right corner, go to the purchase history, click on MagickFunnels, and on the below the button that says click to access your purchase, you should see another button saying bonuses from Art. That's how you get it. You don't have to send me emails or receipts. This is all done for you automatically. And guys, MagickFunnels again goes live at 9 AM Eastern on April 15th. Make sure to show up early for the early bird discount. That's $17.97. Okay, so at one-time price, going back, to ClickFunnels, $97 per month. Convertory, the cheapest option is $53 per month, and lead page is $25 per month. with MagickFunnels, you're getting all of this for a one-time fee of just $17.97, and you get done for you funnels which are not included with all of the competition. Okay, so guys, as always, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section under this YouTube video. Please like this video, please subscribe to the channel for more review videos just like this one, and I'll be seeing you shortly in the next review video. Ciao.